In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer or deposit money to your Polymarket account from your bank account. This is perfect if you want to start trading or participating in markets and need to fund your account safely and quickly. Before we start, a quick reminder. Whenever you're transferring money online, especially to a crypto or prediction platform, it's essential to stay secure. I always recommend using NordVPN to protect your connection and keep your financial information private. You can get NordVPN using the link in the description. First, log in to your Polymarket account using the same method you used to create it, whether that's your wallet or email. Once you're logged in, go to the Deposit or Wallet section. This is where you can fund your account. Polymarket doesn't accept direct bank transfers in the traditional sense, so to deposit from your bank account, you'll need to use a supported payment method, such as a linked bank account via a payment processor, or by buying cryptocurrency like USDC or USDT and sending it to your Polymarket wallet. If you're using a bank-linked payment method, tap on Deposit and select Bank Account or ACH Transfer if it's available in your region. Follow the prompts to securely connect your bank account. You'll typically verify small test deposits to ensure the bank account belongs to you. Once verified, enter the amount you want to deposit and confirm the transfer. The funds will appear in your Polymarket account after processing, which can take a few minutes to a few business days, depending on your bank. If you're funding via cryptocurrency, buy USDC or USDT using a crypto exchange that allows bank transfers. Once you have the crypto, copy your Polymarket wallet deposit address. Send the cryptocurrency from your exchange to your Polymarket wallet. Always double-check the address before sending to avoid mistakes. Remember, every time you handle crypto or connect bank accounts online, you should make sure your connection is secure. That's why I recommend using NordVPN. It encrypts your traffic and protects your sensitive information. You can grab NordVPN through the link in the description. Once the funds are deposited, you can start using them to participate in Polymarket markets immediately. Whether you're placing trades, predictions, or simply holding funds for later, having your account funded is the first step. And again, to stay completely secure while doing all of this, make sure you're using NordVPN, available via the link in the description. It's an easy way to keep your connection private while transferring money or managing your account.